So we are officially rebuilding the Coyote. We've got the crank in, which is amazing. I've been waiting on it forever. We've got all this. We're only reusing some, just enough to kind of get by. We are currently rehoning cylinders. I don't know if we can get it to focus, but this one right here we've already started on. This one we have not. So there's a clear difference. Still got some glaze in there, right in there. We're gonna go ahead and knock that out and I'll put it on head. So now we have done a little bit. We're just gonna add a tad bit to it. Simple as that. I'll work it in and around. This is some thick oil, but it is what it is. Any oil will work. So now we got that on there. We're gonna put the honing device in and then just get at it. Okay, so as of now, we got all of the cylinders honed. I know you can't really see them that well, but there's not much to look at, honestly, just some cross hatching and that's about it. So now that they're re-honed, now we're gonna put the new crank off in here. We're gonna get some clearances, make sure just to double check that we're good to go. Then we're gonna lock everything back down. We're gonna start reassembling and go from there. So, things didn't go as planned with the engine rebuild. I know I wasn't able to record too much. Got to get better at that. But that being said, we put rings in the Coyote to measure and check gap, and they were too big. This is a sleeved block, so I can't just bore and, you know, fix it all that way. I had to hone the sleeves, and in a sense, to re-sleeve this block and have all the machine work done, it would cost less for me just to buy a new block. So what I'm gonna do, what I've already done, I ordered new sleeves. They are oversized, I ordered new piston rings. They are oversized piston rings. They'll be in just a couple days. So once they get in, we'll pick back up where we left off and we will rebuild this engine and get it in this Mustang. So once it gets in the Mustang, once we can get the engine in, transmission will be hooked up, clutch, everything will be done from the engine to the rear end. Whole drive line will be assembled. We'll be good to go after that. Just waiting on just the little things like we'll need a starter, alternator, radiator, power steering needs to be hooked up, electrical, which don't even get me started. I'm gonna probably have to go control pack, which I've already made my decision. I'm gonna go with the Holley Terminator X-Max. It seems to be the best application for what I'm doing here with what we have planned for this engine in the future. It seems like the Terminator X-Max is just there. It's got everything I need from tunability all the way to the end. So that's what we're gonna do. For right now, I'm gonna go ahead and end this. We got it started, got it going, that's good. We're gonna pick back up pretty much from the pistons and heads up and get everything reassembled to get it back in the car and get it in the car and go from there. So if you're watching right now, I appreciate it so much. I'm sorry I haven't been uploading too much. I hate that I haven't, but I just had life stuff going on. It's funny because it still revolves around mechanics and I should have recorded every bit of it, but the wife's EcoBoost ended up breaking a cam and blowing a head gasket. So I had to put down the camera, get to work and get that done, because that's a daily driver. So like I said, if you're here watching, I appreciate you watching. There's more to come. I'll pick back up on it. We also have a Toyota Celica we're rebuilding right now. It's Cody Celica. If you want, you can go follow him on TikTok for sure. He's got everything going on TikTok. I've got everything going on TikTok and on YouTube. But we're also going to do that. I'll probably film some in there. Pretty much just me picking and messing with Cody. Just there's no other reason to. So if you want to, go follow him, watch his build. I think it's Gilmore03 on TikTok. I'll put it up in the video. But if you're watching right now, thank you again. I'm gonna get off here. I got some lunch to make, gotta get to work, but here in the next couple days, we will have another video coming up of the full Coyote build being done and getting in that car. So thanks again, we'll see you later.